Assalamu alaikum dear students and teachers. I welcome to you in this video lecture series. These lectures based on class 9 mathematics topics. I hope these lecture will be helpful for your learning and teaching. Now let's start. This is the prescribed textbook. You can see the title of the book on the screen. Mathematics 9 Science Group Punjab Textbook Board. Now we will start chapter number 4, algebraic expression and algebraic formula. Okay, in this first lecture we will discuss the following student learning outcome SLOs, define polynomials and rational expression, identify polynomials and rational expression. Okay, now let's start with polynomials. A polynomial look like this. You can see on the screen 3x square y minus 4x plus 4. This is the example of polynomial with three terms. Poly means many and nomial means term. So we can say polynomial means many terms. A polynomial can have constant variables and exponents but never division by a variable. Now polynomial self-testing. Identify the following as polynomial or not a polynomial. So discuss case A, 3x square plus 8x plus 5. It's a polynomial with three terms. We can say it is a trinomial. Now discuss the case B, x cube plus under root 2x square plus 5x minus 3. So it is also a polynomial. The square root of any number can be used as a coefficient in polynomial. Now part C, 63. It is also a polynomial. Polynomial can have no variable at all. It has just one term and which is a constant. Now consider a part D, x square plus under root x plus 4. It is not a polynomial because the square root of variable is not allowed in polynomials. Okay, let's move towards polynomial self-testing 2. Which of the following is a polynomial? Part A, 3x square minus 3x power half plus 2y power 5 upon 2. It is not a polynomial because it has fraction exponent like 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 2. Part B, 5x cube minus 3x y square plus 8y power 4 minus 3. It's a simple polynomial with 4 terms. Part C, minus 7x cube y raised to the power minus 1. It is not a polynomial because it has negative exponent. Part D, 2 upon 2 minus y. It is also not a polynomial because dividing by variable is not allowed here. Part E, 5x cube minus x upon 2. It is a polynomial. It is allowed to divide a variable by a constant. Okay, now challenge yourself and see the question very carefully. If f of x and g of x are the two polynomials, then which of the following may not be a polynomial? F of x minus gx, f of x divided by g of x, f of x plus g of x, f of x multiplied by g of x. So think about it. Okay, now move towards rational expression. Hopefully you have understand the concept of polynomial. So what is rational expression? An expression that is the ratio of two polynomials. For example, x square plus 2 divided by x plus 4. Here in numerator we have x square plus 2 and denominator x plus 4. So both are polynomial and it is the ratio of two polynomial, and it's just like a fraction but with polynomials. Let's see another example. X cube plus 2x minus 1. A upon 6x square, it is also a rational expression. Now move towards rational expression self-testing. Identify the following as rational expression or not. 4x squared plus 6x minus 5. It is a rational expression as its denominator is 1. Part B, 2y plus 9 divided by y4 minus y squared. It is also a rational expression. And part C, 1 upon 2 minus y. It is also a rational expression. Its numerator is 1 and a constant value can be a polynomial. Okay, now let's move towards rational expression self-testing. Identify the following as rational expression or not. Part A, x squared plus 4x plus 5 divided by x squared plus 3 under root x plus 4. It is not a rational expression. Reason is x squared plus 3 under root x plus 4 is not a polynomial. Now move toward part B, under root x divided by 3x squared plus 1. It is also not a rational expression. Reason is under root x is not a polynomial. Now listen carefully the following statement. Every polynomial is a rational expression, but every rational expression need not be a polynomial. I repeat again, every polynomial is a rational expression, but every rational expression need not be a polynomial. For example, 2 upon 2 minus y, it is a rational expression but not a polynomial. So listen carefully again. Every polynomial is a rational expression, but every rational expression need not be a polynomial. Okay, now move towards the homework of lecture 1. You can see the homework on the screen. Exercise 4.1, question number 1 and question number 2. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos and press like button. Please give your feedback and suggestion for the improvement. Thank you.